In a society that is rife with glitzy cosmetic products and fast solutions, it is easy to ignore the straightforward, time-tested therapies that have consistently shown their value over the course of many generations. The use of castor oil is one example of such a cure. It is a straightforward, time-honored staple that does not attempt to attract attention but does bring effects where it is needed. This oil, which is thick and golden in color, has been used for a very long time. Although it may not be the most spectacular object in your bathroom, it is certainly something that needs being examined more closely. Discover how castor oil may take your nighttime routine to the next level. So, now let's get started. Number 1. Improve your quality of sleep. We are all aware of how essential it is to get a sufficient amount of sleep each night, and it may come as a surprise that castor oil can in fact assist to a more peaceful sleep. It is possible to relax your muscles and bring your mind to a state of peace by massaging castor oil into specific parts of your body, such as your abdomen or the soles of your feet. If you have trouble falling asleep or remaining asleep during the night, this advice may be especially helpful to you. After an exhausting day, the calming effects of the oil help you relax and unwind, which in turn prepares you for a more restful and deeper sleep. Some individuals even swear by the fact that putting a small bit of castor oil on their eyelids in order to achieve a better night's sleeps. A sense of drowsiness is said to be caused by the oil because it helps relax the muscles that are located around your eyes. Number 2. Keep your skin moisturized while you are sleeping. Castor oil is a remedy that may deeply hydrate the skin, which is especially helpful during the winter months when dry, flaky skin can be a persistent problem. The inherent moisturizing properties of castor oil are attributed to the high concentration of fatty acids that it contains, in particular ricinoleic acid. This helps to lock in moisture, which ensures that you will wake up with skin that is smooth and silky. Applying a tiny coating to your face and body before going to bed may assist. Castor oil's thick nature enables it to enter and nourish dry areas, such as elbows, knees or feet, which can provide long-lasting hydration and relief from dryness. Castor oil is suitable for use in situations when dryness is persistent. Number 3. Reduce the symptoms of constipation. It is well known that castor oil is beneficial for the care of the skin and hair. Nevertheless, one of its more traditional applications is as a natural medicine for the treatment of constipation. Because of the one-of-a-kind composition of this oil and the way it interacts with the digestive system, it has been utilized for ages as a laxative product. Take a small amount of castor oil before going to bed if you are experiencing constipation. This can stimulate your bowels and provide relief by the time you wake up in the morning. On the other hand, because it is so powerful, it is essential to adhere to the dosage that is advised for this aim. Castor oil can be an excellent method for alleviating constipation. However, if you do not like to consume it or are searching for a more gentle method, you can also try massaging a small quantity onto your stomach. Using this strategy, which takes use of the oil's anti-inflammatory characteristics and its capacity to enter the skin, pain relief can be obtained without the need to consume the oil. Number 4. Decrease the level of inflammation and calm skin that is irritated. Castor oil is well known for its effectiveness in reducing inflammation and soothing skin that has been inflamed, in addition to its hydrating characteristics. When you have sensitive skin that is easily irritated, it might provide much-needed comfort, especially if you suffer from illnesses such as eczema or psoriasis. In order to alleviate discomfort and promote healthier skin, it is recommended to apply the oil to the affected regions before going to bed. This will allow the oil to operate overnight. Castor oil packs are a classic therapy that many people swear by for those who suffer from joint discomfort or arthritic affliction. The damaged joint can be treated by soaking a cloth in warm castor oil, applying it to the joint, and then wrapping it in plastic wrap. It is recommended that you leave it on for at least an hour, but overnight is much better. This treatment has the potential to alleviate the stiffness and pain that are associated with arthritis, leading to a reduction in inflammation. The usage of castor oil on a regular basis has the ability to bring about a transformation in both your appearance and your state of mind, all while allowing you to sleep well through the night. It is a straightforward and uncomplicated addition to your routine before going to bed, but it has the potential to bring about dramatic improvements over time. Put it to the test and see for yourself what happens. Have you found this video helpful? Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you may watch further helpful videos that are similar to this one. Our goal is to ensure that you are healthy, so thank you for watching.